At $200, projectors start piling on features that sound impressive in a listing and change absolutely nothing about what you see on your wall. The trick to buying well here is knowing the one feature that actually matters at this budget and which ones are just there to justify the price. Get that right and you walk away with a better picture and money still in your pocket. So here's the one that matters: brightness. It's measured in lumens, and it's the difference between a projector you can only use in a pitch black cave and one that still looks good with a lamp on. Most cheap projectors are dim, and they hide it by never printing a real lumen figure anywhere. At $200, you can finally get genuine brightness, and that single spec changes more about your day-to-day experience than anything else on the box. Now, the features that don't matter nearly as much as the price tag implies: a slightly louder speaker, a fancier remote, a brand name you've seen in an ad. They're nice, but they don't change the picture. Don't pay a premium for them. The smart move at this budget is to spend on brightness and real native 1080p and stop right there. The projector that puts the money where it counts, real native 1080p, and the brightness to handle a room that isn't blacked out, is the Simplify Tech CineX 1080p. Here's what that buys you in real life. It's small enough to sit in your palm, but it throws a sharp 120-inch picture bright enough that you can keep a lamp on low and still see everything clearly, not just in a sealed dark room. You point it anywhere, and it levels and focuses itself. Your phone mirrors wirelessly in about 10 seconds. Netflix, YouTube, and Prime are built in. The sound has real bass, and you can even talk to it to pull things up. You set it on a shelf, point it at the wall or the ceiling, lie back, and you've got a proper cinema coming out of something the size of a coffee mug, with budget left over. Let me be straight about who should skip it. If you genuinely need a daytime screen, blinds open, full sun, watching at noon, no projector at this price wins that fight. That's a TV's job. This is for evenings, dim rooms, the wind down. So the honest line: it handles a dimly lit room well, but full daylight will still wash it out, like it does for all of them. Inside its actual job, evenings and nights, it's bright, sharp, and full. That's the whole decision at $200. Pay for the features that change what you see, skip the ones that only change the price, and keep the difference. This is the projector I'd buy to do exactly that. It's the Simplify Tech CineX 1080p at simplifytech.shop. Links in the description. It ships worldwide for free, comes with a 6-month warranty, and there's a no questions asked money back guarantee, so if it's not what you saw here, you send it back. Subscribe if this made the call easier.